Welcome to this video, where we'll explore how to change the color of a DataTable in Flutter's web application. If you're building a web app using Flutter and want to customize the appearance of your DataTable, then this video is for you. In today's tutorial, we'll dive into the world of Flutter's DataTable and show you step by step how to modify its colors to match your desired design. As developers, we know that small details like color schemes can make a significant difference in the user experience. By customizing the appearance of our DataTable, we can enhance the overall look and feel of our application, making it more engaging for our users. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about changing the DataTable color in Flutter's web app. So, how do we change the color of a DataTable in Flutter? The first thing to note is that we can't directly modify the color of the DataTable widget itself. Instead, we need to use a combination of properties and styles to achieve our desired outcome. To start with, let's create a basic DataTable. When you create a DataTable, it uses the default colors defined by the Flutter framework. However, we want to override these default colors with our custom choices. One way to do this is by using the theme widget to set the overall color scheme of our application. We can then use the DataTable theme to specify the colors used within our DataTable. Another approach is to use a data row and define the background color for each row individually. This allows us to create a striped or alternating row effect, which can be visually appealing. We can also modify the header and footer rows by using the data row and specifying their respective background colors. By doing so, we can create a more harmonious design that aligns with our application's branding. Let's consider an analogy to help illustrate this concept better. Think of your DataTable as a tablecloth on which you're placing different colored plates. Each plate represents a row in your DataTable worksheet. Just as you would choose the color and pattern of the tablecloth and plates to match your dinner party theme, we can select the colors for our DataTable rows and headers to align with our application's visual identity. To recap, here are the essential points to remember when changing the color of a DataTable in Flutter. We can't directly modify the DataTable widget's color. Instead, we use properties and style. Use the theme widget to set the overall color scheme of your application. In demo, utilize the DataTable theme to specify colors for the DataTable. Define background colors for individual rows using data row. Modify header and footer row colors by specifying their background colors. That's it. That's it. We've now covered everything you need to know about changing the color of a DataTable in Flutter's web application. If you have any questions or would like further clarification on this topic, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more informative content. We'd love to hear from you and explore how we can help you with your Flutter development journey. Thanks for watching.